Here's the TAGRY X08 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it in pairing mode, how to connect to one phone, an iPhone, then how to connect to another phone, a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and then how to factory reset these. So first thing is, let's just connect to my iPhone, okay? So let's go ahead and take the earbuds out, and we'll know that these are in pairing mode after you wait a few seconds, and then if one of them is blinking blue, red, like you can see blue, red right there, so it's in pairing mode. So now we can connect to a device. Let's grab my iPhone here. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then you see that little spinny thing right there. It's searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. X08's popped up right there. Let's tap on that. Give it 1 second. Voila, we are connected, ready to go. Okay, so now we're connected to this iPhone. All right, so now let's say we want to go ahead and connect to this phone now. It's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, so now if I take these out of the case, I'm not going to get that blue, red. It's not going to go into pairing mode. Why? Because it's connected and paired to this phone over here. So what do I do to put this in pairing mode so I can connect to this phone now? Well, there's a couple things I can do. The first thing I can do is I can reset these and it'll automatically go into pairing mode. Or if I go back to the phone that I'm currently connected to, which is this iPhone right here. So in order for me to put this pairing mode, I can go ahead and I can turn off Bluetooth here, or I can click on the settings for the Bluetooth here, and I can disconnect or forget this device, or basically delete it out of the pairing list. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Let's try. Let's just turn off Bluetooth, okay? Bluetooth is off. Look at the earbuds. Hey, it's blinking. One of them is blinking blue, red. It's back into pairing mode. Now we can go ahead and connect to this phone now. Go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here under available devices. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode, and if it did find the X08s right there, I'll tap that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request like that. Tap on pair, and voila, we should now be connected. We're connected, ready to go. Okay, now let's say we want to do a factory reset. We want to do a factory reset maybe because we're having connection issues to one of the devices. Maybe it keeps disconnecting. Maybe we can't put this in pairing mode. Maybe one side's not working, and so on. So let's factory reset these, okay? Now, in order for me to factory reset these, we have to first put this in pairing mode, okay? So how do I put it in pairing mode? Well, remember, last I was connected to this phone here. So let me go back to this phone here. And you can see that we were connected here. All right, so what I'm going to do from here is, again, I can turn off the Bluetooth, or I can disconnect from here, but I'm just going to go ahead and just turn off Bluetooth. Okay, I'll just turn off Bluetooth, and now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so now we can factory reset these. The only thing we got to do is hold the buds right here like this, and then press and hold on the touch sensor and wait till both lights is solid red. We'll do it together. Okay, ready, set, go. Just press and hold, just wait, like 10-15 seconds, just wait. Up, they're both red, you see? Both red. Go ahead and let go. Now, the thing is, you have to put it back in your case and leave it there for about 1 minute. Close it, wait 1 minute. Now, after 1 minute is up, if you take the buds out, it should automatically be in the pairing mode. It should be blinking blue, red on just one of the earbuds, okay? So the factory reset is done. Now the thing is, if I wanted to connect back to one of the phones that I was currently paired to, I have to go to the Bluetooth settings. I have to go to Bluetooth here. Now remember, I was currently paired to this phone before. It says paired there, but I just turned off the Bluetooth, remember? So in order for me to connect back to this phone here, I have to click on the settings for the Bluetooth here, and I have to unpair, basically delete it off the pairing list. For an iPhone, it would be forget this device. So I have to unpair it totally. Now, if I wanted to, I can connect back to this phone here. Okay, so it's in pairing mode, and now I can find the X08s, and now I can go ahead and connect back to this phone. So pretty simple. I hope you guys got the message. Any questions or issues, just comment below.